Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I will cover the most important topic from strategic point of view, the international organizations. This static topic is very important for exams like UPSC, State PSS, SSC, CGL, CHSL, MTS and many other competitive examinations. Let's get into the video. First one, World Health Organization, WHO. Where is it located? On which date it was established? What is the aim for this organization? And what are the member countries present in this organization? And who is the present director of this organization? I will discuss all these points of each organization. So, World Health Organization, it is situated in Geneva in Switzerland. It was established on 7th April 1948. So, what is its aim? The World Health Organization is a specialized agency of United Nations responsible for the international public health. It deals with the public health of all the countries. At present, there are 193 member countries in World Health Organization. The present director is Margaret Chan. Here you can see her image. And this is the logo of World Health Organization. Next one, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, UNICEF. So it was present in New York, established on 11 December 1946. For exam point of view, you should remember the place where it is situated and the year which it was established. No need of the date, just you have to remember the year. What is the aim of UNICEF? To provide food and healthcare to children of those countries which devastated by World War II. After World War II, the countries which are in very difficult situations, so for those countries, it provides food and healthcare to particularly for children. Hence, it was as Children's Emergency Fund. At present, there are 191 member countries. This is the logo of UNICEF. And the director is Anthony Lake. Next one, United Nations Development Programme, UNDP. It was present in New York. It was established in the year 1965. So what is the main aim? It advocates for change and connects countries to knowledge, experience and resources to help poor people build a better life for themselves. Simply to develop the livelihood of many people. It provides expert advice, training and grant support to developing countries with increasing emphasis on assistance to least developed countries. So it provides assistance in developing mostly for developing countries and least developed countries. At present, there are 166 member countries and the director of UNDP was Helen Clark. This is the logo. Next one, World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO. It was present in Geneva, Switzerland, established on 14 July 1967. Just remember the year. WIPO was created to promote and protect intellectual property across the world by cooperating with countries as well as international organizations. It began operations on 26 April 1970 when the convention entered into force. You don't need to remember all this. Just it was created to promote and protect intellectual property across the world. At present, there are 188 member countries. The director was Francis Gurry. Next one, UN Environmental Programme, UNEP. It was present in Nairobi, Kenya. Established on 5th June 1972. Hence, 5th June is celebrated as World Environmental Day. What is the aim? United Nations Environment Programme. It is responsible for coordinating the UN's environmental activities and assisting developing countries in implementing environmentally sound policies and practices. So, simply it was established for coordinating all the environmental activities of UN nations and assist the developing countries in creating the policies for environment. At present, there are 193 member countries. The director is Achim Steiner. Next one, UN International Training and Research Center, UNITAR. Situated in Geneva, Switzerland, established in the year 1963. So it is a dedicated training arm of United Nations. It provides training and capacity development activities for mainly developing countries and least developed countries. So what it simply do? It provides training and research for developed and least developed. At present, there are 160 member countries and the director was Nikhil Seth. Next one, International Labour Organization, ILO. Situated in Geneva, Switzerland, established in the year 1919. The International Labour Organization, it is a United Nations agency whose mandate is to advance social and economic justice through setting international labour standards. Simply, it deals with the setting up of norms to international labours and providing social and economic justice. At present, there are 186 member countries and the director was Guy Ryder. Next one, International Fund for Agriculture Development, IFAD. It was present in Rome, Italy, established in the year 1977. The International Fund for Agriculture Development is an international financial institution and a specialized agency of United Nations that works to address poverty and hunger in rural areas of developing countries. Simply just remember this, it is a financial institution to remove poverty and hunger in rural areas. At present, there are 173 member countries and the director was Kanayo F. Wanze. Next one, Asian Development Bank, ADB. It was present in Metro Manila, Philippines. Established on 22nd August 1966. ADB is committed to achieving a prosperous, inclusive, resilient and sustainable Asia and the Pacific while sustaining its efforts to eradicate extreme poverty. Simply, it was established to eradicate poverty in Asian and Pacific regions. It provides funds in order to eliminate poverty. At present, there are 67 member countries and the director was Takehiko Nakao. Next one, International Monetary Fund, IMF. Situated in Washington DC of USA, established in the year 27 December 1945. It promotes international monetary cooperation, facilitate international trade, faster sustainable economic growth. It makes resources available to members experiencing balance of payments difficulties. Simply, it deals with all monetary operations. That deals with money related issues. At present, there are 189 member countries and the director was Christine Lagarde. Next one, World Trade Organization. Situated in Geneva, Switzerland, established on 1st January 1995. The World Trade Organization deals with the regulation of trade in goods and services and intellectual property between participating countries by providing a framework for negotiating trade agreements and disputes between governments. So this organization, it deals with trade between nations and provide trade agreements and resolve disputes between these governments. At present, there are 164 member countries and the director is Roberto Azevedo. Next one, the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, SCO. Situated in Beijing, China, established on 15th June 2001. It is a Eurasian political, economic and security alliance. Remember, it was not worlds, it was only for Eurasia, Europe plus Asia. For cooperation in political affairs, economics and trade, scientific, technical, cultural, educational spheres, and safeguard regional peace. At present, there are 8 member states and 4 are observer states. The Secretary General is Rashid Alimo. Next, an Organization of Islamic Cooperation, situated in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, established in the year 1969. Just remember the place where it is situated and the year which it was established. To preserve Islamic social and economic values, promote solidarity among member states. Mainly, it deals with Islamic nations like Afghanistan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, etc. Member states 57. Secretary General Yusuf Al Othaymin. Next one, Organization for Economic Cooperation Development, OECD, situated in Paris, France, established in the year 1961. It stimulates the economic growth and world trade by raising the standard of living in member countries and by coordinating aid to less developed countries. Simply, it provides assistance for developing growth of developing countries and less developed nations. The member states are 36. Secretary General Jose Angel Guevara. Next, Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries, OPEC, situated in Vienna, established on September 1960. The main aim is to unify the petroleum policies of its member countries and ensure the stabilization of oil markets to secure regular supply of petroleum to consumers. So, it mainly operates petroleum policies between the nations across world. The member states are 15. Secretary General is Mohammad Sanusi Barkindo. Next one, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NATO, present in Brussels of Belgium, established on 4th April 1949. The main aim for its establishment is the mutual defense in response to any attack by any external party. Member states are 29. Secretary General Jens Stoltenberg. Next one, African Union, AU, present in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, established on 26th May 2001 to strengthen ties between African countries and safeguards their independence. So, as it suggests, African Union, it deals with African countries. Member states are 55 countries on the African continent. The chairman is Alpha Conde. Next one, Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, AIIB, present in Beijing, China, established on December 25, 2015. It is an international multilateral development institution to provide finance to infrastructure projects in Asia region. As the name suggests, Asia Infrastructure Investment Bank. So, it provides investment for infrastructure projects in Asia region. The member states are 86. The president is Jin LeCun. The Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASEAN, Jakarta, Indonesia, established on August 8, 1967. The main theme of ASEAN is to accelerate economic progress and maintain economic stability of Southeast Asia. Only Southeast Asia. The member states are 10. Secretary General is Lee Luang Min. Next, International Criminal Police Organization, Interpol, present in Lyon, France, established on 7 September 1923. It was an international organization that facilitates worldwide police cooperation and crime control. Member states 192. President Kim Jong Yang. Next, International Atomic Energy Agency, IAEA, present in Vienna, established on 1957, to promote the peaceful use of nuclear energy or atomic energy and to inhibit its use for any military purpose, including nuclear weapons. That means it established control over the usage of nuclear weapons for the welfare of nations. The member states are 192. President Yukiya Amano. Next, World Meteorological Organization WMO. Present in Geneva, established in 1950. It is dedicated to international cooperation and coordination on the state and behavior of Earth's atmosphere. Meteorology deals with the atmosphere of Earth and the interaction with land and oceans, the weather and climate it produces, and the resulting distribution of water resources. The member states are 185. President David Grimes. Next, International Court of Justice. Present in Hague of Netherlands. Established in the year 1945. What are the main functions? To settle in accordance with international law. So it deals with all the law related issues within countries and resolves disputes between states and gives advisory opinions to legal questions referred to it by authorized UN organs. The member states are 15. President Ronnie Abraham. Next, SAARC, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Headquarters at Kathmandu. Established on the year 1985. Its function is to promote the welfare of the people of South Asia, to strengthen collective self-reliance, promoting active collaboration. Simply, it promotes the welfare of South Asian people in all aspects. The member states are 8. President Arjun Bahadur Thapa. Friends, these are the most important international organization for all exams. If you prepare all these topics, at least you will get one question from any exam. One question. Simply you will get one question. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to our channel for more updates, and thank you all. Jai Hind.